Have you ever wondered which cities serve as the economic backbones of the vast continent of Asia? This question sparks our journey today as we traverse through the vibrant economic powerhouses of this expansive landmass. From the sprawling metropolises of China to the bustling hubs of Japan, India, Russia, South Korea, Indonesia, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Taiwan, and the United Arab Emirates, each region offers a unique blend of economic activity that forms the pulse of Asia. Let's start with China, the titan of the East, whose economic prowess is unmistakable. This colossal country is home to some of the world's most influential economic centers. Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Guangzhou are the four key pillars that uphold China's economic dominance, each with its distinct character and contribution to the global trade network. Next, we'll hop over to the island nation of Japan, a land renowned for its technological innovation. Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya are the nerve centers of this economic giant, driving forward with a blend of traditional industries and cutting-edge tech. Then, we'll visit India, a country where ancient traditions meet modern business. Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru form the trifecta of India's economic power, each contributing to the country's growing stature on the world stage. Our journey will then take us to the northernmost reaches of Asia, to Russia. Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Novosibirsk form the backbone of Russia's diverse economy, from energy production to advanced manufacturing. We'll also explore the dynamic economies of South Korea with its tech-savvy cities of Seoul and Busan, Indonesia's bustling hubs of Jakarta and Surabaya, Turkey's historic economic centers Istanbul, Ankara, and Izmir, Saudi Arabia's oil-rich cities of Riyadh and Jeddah, Iran's vibrant hubs Tehran and Isfahan, Taiwan's tech-driven Taipei and Kaohsiung, and finally, the glittering Emirates of Dubai and Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. Ready to embark on this journey across Asia's dynamic economic centers? Let the journey begin in the east with China. China, the world's second-largest economy, is spearheaded by cities like Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Guangzhou. Each of these cities is a powerhouse in its own right, driving the Chinese economic dragon with their diverse and dynamic industries. Shanghai, known as the Pearl of the Orient, is a global financial hub and port city. Beijing, the capital, is a political and cultural center, but also a hub for innovation and technology. Shenzhen, often dubbed as the Silicon Valley of China, is a hotspot for tech companies and startups. Guangzhou, meanwhile, is a major manufacturing and export hub. Together, these cities contribute significantly to China's gross domestic product and play a crucial role in global trade, from electronics to automobiles to consumer goods. China's economic prowess is undeniable. But let's turn our attention to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Japan, an economic powerhouse, is driven by cities such as Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya. Tokyo, the buzzing capital, is not just the political nucleus, but also a major economic hub. Known for its high-tech industries, finance, and services sector, Tokyo contributes significantly to Japan's GDP. Next, we have Osaka, a city that plays an essential role in the Japanese economy. With its thriving sectors in manufacturing and commerce, Osaka is often referred to as the nation's kitchen. Then there's Nagoya, the automotive heart of Japan. Home to global giants like Toyota, Nagoya is a significant contributor to the country's manufacturing sector. These cities, with their diverse economic activities, form the backbone of Japan's economy, contributing massively to the nation's GDP. Japan's economic landscape is a fusion of tradition and innovation, making it an economic force to reckon with. From the technologically advanced Japan, we now move to the vibrant and diverse economy of India. India, with a rapidly growing economy, is powered by Mumbai, Delhi, and Bengaluru. Mumbai, the financial powerhouse of India, is home to the Bombay Stock Exchange and numerous multinational corporations, contributing significantly to the national GDP. Delhi, the political hub, also plays a critical role in the economy with its diverse industries, from IT to telecommunications. Bengaluru, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, is the epicenter of the nation's IT industry, hosting numerous tech startups and global tech giants. These three cities, each with its unique economic strengths, collectively fuel the economic engine of India. They are the lifeblood that drives the country's economic growth, shaping the trajectory of the Indian economy. The economic march of this elephant is indeed a sight to behold, as it continues to make strides on the global economic stage. From the bustling streets of India, we venture into the frosty economic giants of Russia. Russia, South Korea, and Indonesia, Each holds unique economic centers worth exploring. Starting with Russia, the world's largest country. Moscow, the capital city, is a vibrant hub of commerce and industry. It's home to the headquarters of numerous multinational corporations and serves as the country's financial center. Further up north, St. Petersburg, with its rich cultural heritage, also plays a significant role in the Russian economy, particularly through tourism and shipbuilding. Then there's Novosibirsk, Russia's third most populous city, located in Siberia. It's a major industrial and scientific hub, contributing significantly to Russia's GDP. Next, we jet off to South Korea, a nation that has made remarkable strides in technology and innovation. Seoul, the capital, is a global leader in technology, housing major corporations like Samsung and LG. It's a bustling metropolis where modern skyscrapers intertwine with traditional palaces. Down south, we find Busan, South Korea's second largest city. Known for its bustling port, Busan plays a significant role in the country's import and export industry. Finally, let's hop over to Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago. Jakarta, the capital, is a dynamic city where commerce, finance, and industry converge, contributing substantially to the nation's GDP. On the eastern side of Java, we find Surabaya, renowned for its thriving shipbuilding and heavy industries. These cities, though diverse in culture and geography, are united in their economic significance. They're the powerhouses of their nations, contributing substantially to their respective national GDPs. They're the beating hearts of Russia, South Korea, and Indonesia, driving economic growth and development. The economic landscapes of these nations are broad and varied, reflecting their unique histories and cultures. Yet, they all play pivotal roles in the global economy, contributing to the intricate and interconnected web of international trade and commerce. Our journey continues, now shifting towards the intriguing economies of Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Taiwan, and the United Arab Emirates. Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Taiwan, and the United Arab Emirates, a diverse mix of economic powerhouses. Let's start with Turkey, a nation bridging Europe and Asia, with Istanbul, Ankara, and Izmir as its economic hubs. Istanbul, the most populous city, is a vital global trading center, renowned for its diverse industries, from textiles to automotive. Ankara, the capital, is a hub for the defense industry, while Izmir, with its thriving port, plays a crucial role in Turkey's export economy. Moving to Saudi Arabia, the largest economy in the Middle East, its success lies in its oil reserves. However, cities like Riyadh and Jeddah are not just about oil. Riyadh, the capital, is a growing tech hub, while Jeddah is a key player in the logistics and tourism industries. Next, we have Iran, a country rich in natural resources. Tehran, the capital, is the economic heart of Iran, home to a third of the country's industry and half of its services sector. Isfahan, meanwhile, is known for its petrochemical, steel, and textile industries. Taiwan, an island nation off the southeastern coast of China, is a major player in the global electronics supply chain. Taipei, the capital, is a bustling hub for technology and innovation, while Kaohsiung, a port city, is a crucial center for heavy industries. Finally, we land in the United Arab Emirates, where the cities of Dubai and Abu Dhabi stand out. Dubai, a global city and business hub, is known for its thriving real estate, tourism, and retail sectors. Abu Dhabi, the capital, is the center of the country's political and industrial activities and home to vast oil reserves. These cities, in their respective countries, contribute significantly to their national GDPs, each playing a unique role in the global economy. They showcase the diversity and dynamism of Asia's economic landscape, from Turkey's bustling markets to the UAE's glittering skyscrapers. Our journey through Asia's economic centers concludes here, but what have we learned? We've traversed the vast continent of Asia, exploring its economic powerhouses. From the Dragon's Lair, China, with its pulsating economic centers like Shanghai and Beijing, to the land of the rising sun, Japan, where Tokyo and Osaka command the economic scene. We've marched with the elephant India, taking in the vibrancy of Mumbai and the tech hub Bengaluru. Our tour swept across Russia's bustling Moscow, South Korea's vibrant Seoul, and Indonesia's thriving Jakarta. We've journeyed through Turkey's Istanbul, Saudi Arabia's oil-rich Riyadh, Iran's bustling Tehran, Taiwan's industrious Taipei, and the glittering cities of the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. Each nation, each city contributing to the economic tapestry of Asia in its unique way. As we can see, Asia is a dynamic continent, thriving with economic activity. From China's bustling cities to the oil-rich nations of the Middle East, these centers of commerce and industry continue to shape our world.